Hey, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Are you ready to start your own YouTube journey? In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to create a YouTube channel on your mobile device, step by step, with no hassle. Whether you want to share your talents, thoughts, or just have fun, I'll guide you through the entire process from start to finish. Step 1. Open YouTube app. First things first, open the YouTube app. If you don't have it installed yet, go ahead and download it from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Step 2. Sign into Google account. Once you open the YouTube app, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. If you're not signed in, you'll need to log in with your Google account. Don't worry if you don't have one. Just follow the prompts to create one. A Google account is required to create a YouTube channel. Step 3. Tap your channel. Next, tap on your channel. This is where you'll manage all your videos and channel settings. If you don't have a channel yet, you'll see an option that says Create Channel. Step 4. Create a channel now. It's time to create your channel. You'll need to choose your channel name. This can be your name or something creative that represents the content you want to create. Just type it in and click on Create Channel. Step 5. Set up channel icon and banner to make your channel stand out. You'll want to add a profile picture and banner. Tap on the camera icon next to the profile picture to upload a photo, or use an image from your gallery. Your banner is the large image that appears at the top of your channel. It's the first thing viewers will see, so make sure it's eye-catching. Tip: use a simple, clear profile picture and a visually appealing banner. Step 6. Add channel description. Now let's add a description. Go to your channel settings and tap Edit Channel. Here, you can write a short and sweet description about your channel, what type of content you'll upload, and what viewers can expect. Keep it clear and engaging to attract new subscribers. Step 7. Customize your channel. Next, customize your channel further. You can add links to your social media, website, or other important pages. Go to the Channel Customization tab, where you can add a channel trailer, feature specific videos, and adjust your layout to make your channel more appealing. Step 8. Upload your first video. Alright, now let's upload your first video. Tap the plus button at the bottom of the screen and select Upload a Video. Choose your video from your gallery. Give it a catchy title, add a description, and don't forget to add tags to make it discoverable. Step 9. Channel settings and privacy. Before you start uploading consistently, it's important to set your privacy settings. Go to Settings and make sure your channel is set up the way you want. You can choose whether to make your videos public, private, or unlisted.
Step 10. Start creating and engaging. Now that your channel is set up, it's time to start creating content. Pick your niche, whether it's gaming, education, vlogging, or anything else you're passionate about. Remember, consistency is key, and always engage with your audience by responding to comments and building a community. Finally, congratulations, you're now officially a YouTuber. You've just created your YouTube channel on mobile. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more helpful tips, and share it with anyone who's looking to start their own channel. Let me know in the comments what type of videos you're planning to make, and I'll see you in the next one. Subscribe, like, comment. Thanks for watching and happy creating.